Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the answer key of CPET Environmental Science 2021. Question number 1. Eutrophication causes reduction in option A nutrients, B dissolved salts, C dissolved oxygen, D all of these. The answer will be dissolved oxygen. क्योंकि न्यूट्रिएंट्स तो एनरिचमेंट ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स इज कॉल्ड यूट्रोफिकेशन ना, सो ऑप्शन विल बी सी डिजॉल्व्ड ऑक्सीजन. नंबर 2. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग शोज द करेक्ट रिलेशनशिप BOD एंड COD. हमारा एक इक्वेशन होता है COD इक्वल टू 2BOD और कहाँ कहाँ COD इक्वल टू 1.5 BOD भी देता है, बट COD इक्वल टू 2 BOD. सो COD बाय BOD विल बी इक्वल टू 2. सो द आंसर विल बी COD बाय BOD इक्वल टू 2. Then next, BOD is primarily removed during which stage of water treatment? Option A, primary treatment. In which of the atmospheric layer most of gases are ionized? तो ionosphere हम किसे बोलते हैं? थर्मोस्फीयर को. So the answer will be option C. Number 5. Which of the following types of cloud occurs at the highest altitude? It will be cirrus. Then 6. Which of the following is true about ozone? A. Stratospheric ozone is responsible for the formation of photochemical smog. तो photochemical smog के formation के लिए tropospheric ozone is responsible, not stratospheric ozone. So ये correct है. Tropospheric ozone absorbs UV radiation from sun and protects earth. तो UV radiation जो absorb करता है वो करता है stratospheric ozone. So answer will be B. Tropospheric ozone is responsible for the formation of photochemical smog. Then number 7. Which among the following has maximum global warming potential in a 20-year time horizon? तो maximum global warming potential होता है क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन का. Then next होता है नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड का. Then मीथेन का होता है. देन सबसे मिनिमम होता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का. सो द आंसर विल बी क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन. देन 8. सरफेस लिटर लेयर ऑन ग्राउंड सॉइल इज नोन एज ओ होराइजन, बिकॉज ओ फॉर ऑर्गेनिक मैटर. तो ऑर्गेनिक मैटर में लिटर आता है. सो द आंसर विल बी ओ होराइजन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Correct arrangement in order of decreasing soil particle size. So first हमें देखना है soil particle size किसका सबसे लेस होता है. तो क्ले का सबसे लेस होता है. ऑप्शन C और D के बीच में होगा. तो फर्स्ट ये बोला है क्वेश्चन में कि डिक्रीजिंग सॉइल पार्टिकल साइज डिक्रीज होकर आता है. तो फर्स्ट सैंड का पार्टिकल साइज मैक्सिमम, देन सिल्ट, देन clay. Then 10. Pyrolysis of solid waste refers to option B, higher temperature of anaerobic carbonization of waste for energy generation. Then 11 number. Which one of the following organism is a free living nitrogen fixer? तो free living nitrogen fixer is Azotobacter. Then next, which of the following bacterium converts ammonia to nitrates? अमोनिया टू नाइट्रेट कन्वर्ट करता है. नाइट्रोसोमोनास एंड नाइट्रोकोकस भी कन्वर्ट करता है. तो ये दोनों में से कोई भी ऑप्शन आपने दिया होगा तो आई थिंक करेक्ट होगा. द डोमिनेंट गैस इन बायोगैस इज मीथेन. 14 नंबर. गैमेक्सिन इज ए फॉर्मुलेशन बेस्ड ऑन बेंजीन हेक्साक्लोराइड. Number 15. What is the full form of EIA? The full form is Environmental Impact Assessment. Then next, which one of the following is associated with the issue of control and phasing out of the use of ozone depleting substance? So the answer is option B, Montreal Protocol, because Ramsar Convention is for wetland. Then Kyoto Protocol is for reduction in greenhouse gas. Nagoya Protocol is for biodiversity. So the answer is Montreal Protocol, which is for ozone depleting substance. Then question number 17. The pollutant involved in the Minamata disease of Japan is mercury. It's very simple and easy question. Then 18. A local population genetically, structurally and functionally adapted to its local environment is called ecotype. Niche of an organism is its microhabitat. Then next 20 number. With reference to food chain in ecosystem, which of the following statement is correct? Option A food chain illustrates the order in which a chain of organisms feed upon each other. So the answer A will be correct. 21 number. Which of the following is not true about climax community? It has wide diversity of species. It is correct. The climax vegetation is intolerant of environmental changes. It is not correct. The life forms of the climax community indicate the climate type of an ecosystem. It is also correct. Individuals in the climax stage are replaced by other individuals of same kind. It is also correct. तो क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है कि which statement is not true. So option B true नहीं है, इसलिए the answer will be option B. Then next, exponential growth in a population occurs when there is a great environmental resistance, when there is no environmental resistance, when there is a fixed carrying capacity, when there is no biotic potential. So exponential growth में क्या होता है? Exponential growth में growth maximum होता है, तो environmental resistance should be less. So almost when there is no environmental resistance will be correct for exponential growth. Next, bacteria 23 number. Bacterial leaf blight of rice caused by Xanthomonas oryza can be identified by option B, yellowing of leaves. 24 number. The reaction center of photosystem 1 is P700. The photosystem 2 is P680. 25 number question. Which of the following parts of coconut is edible? The answer will be option B, endosperm. 26 number question. The breathing roots in mangrove plants are known as pneumatophores. Option A is correct. 27 number. In Nepenthes or picture plant, the picture is formed due to modification of leaf lamina. Option B is your right answer. 28 number. Pteridophytes belong to kingdom Plantae and are characterized by the presence of option B, root, and having vascular tissue but not having flowers. Then next, 29. The leaves of Mimosa pudica close when touched. This is an example of thigmotrophism. Question number 30. Lignocellulose is the main structural component of plant cells. It is composed of lignin, cellulose and hemicellulose. Option D is correct answer. 31 number. Swimming for a long time in salt water makes skin of one's fingertips wrinkled. Which one of the following properties is responsible for this observation? So it will be osmosis. Option A. 32 number. The difference between blood and lymph is option A. Blood has both RBC and WBC, while lymph has only WBC. 33 number question. Muscles and organ systems are derivatives of both endoderm and mesoderm. 34 number question. Analogous structures are option B, functionally similar. 35 number question. Which of the following is false about cancer? So Option D, adenoma is the malignant growth abdomen tissue. It is false statement. It is the false statement. So in the next video we will discuss the rest 35 questions of environmental science. Thank you everyone.